Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming permissions. You must be an admin on the page and on the Business Manager account. Once logged into business, Facebook.com, go straight to business settings and choose accounts then pages. This is where the link happens. Make sure to have the page ID and any verification docs ready and enable two-factor authentication on your user account. These steps remove common blockers, so begin now, don't stall on optional setup, and proceed to claim the page from business settings. Once you're in Pages, click Add and select Claim a Page or Request Access, depending on whether the page is already linked elsewhere. Enter the page name or page ID, then choose Full Control if you own it, otherwise request access with clear role limits. Next, assign team members or partner businesses and set admin versus editor roles carefully because permissions control billing and add access. Make sure to save changes, if prompted. Confirm via the page's notification or email to finish by verifying the page now appears under Business Settings pages and that assigned people can access it. Once done, test Add Account Access or Page Publishing to confirm permissions work. Make sure billing and catalog links are intact. If something goes wrong, check for a prior Business Manager claim. Many failures occur because the page is already claimed. In that case, either remove the old business link or send a formal owner approval request. These steps resolve most stuck connections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.